What's up, YouTube? I've got a special unboxing for you. You see, this thing made the whole hetalia fandom freaking lose it because how cute they are. But this looks like an ordinary plain white box. But this is not just an ordinary plain white box. These are funny hetalia finger puppets by whatever papilla. But anyways, since this is like a big ass like blind box, I'm gonna have my special cameraman Donald to unbox them with me, even though he knows jack shit about hetalia. Actually, I'm gonna bring Donald right about now.
Hey guys.
You're such a nerd. So anyways, since this is a blind box, there's not really much on the box anyways, other than Hetalia World Stars, Papilla, some Japanese I can't read. But when you open it inside, you see, it's like all blind boxes and stuff. Which I assume is like when you buy one in the store, it's like, I believe it says like, oh yeah, right here, it says 990 yen for one of these, which I mean, not surprisingly, they're little tiny plushies, so you get what you pay for. Considering. But joke's on them, I am not at the store. I have all of them right here.
Right there.
Yeah. I have them all, so I don't have to be like, oh my god, how much money am I gonna spend for APH Germany?
Yeah.
So, we have two blind boxes. Which one do you want?
I'll take this one.
Okay, which one do you think you're gonna get?
I have no idea. I guess we'll find out.
You know, I actually like how it's kind of impossible to decipher which one you're gonna get because of like the border or like the cardboard, whatever's in here to like protect it.
Yeah, there's like this cardboard in here, so you can't really feel out the characters inside. I guess that's good, but
yeah,
it makes it
they're a little hard to open.
Yeah.
Oh wait, wow, I'm dumb. You could just open from the bottom. That's so
yeah.
easy.
Oh yeah, you can just tear it open right here at the bottom where it's sealed. So you just tear
Okay,
it
you ready?
Okay, let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. I'm gonna guess it's Germany for me.
Wait, I'm struggling.
You look so constipated. I'm gonna slide this out. Oh,
okay, I opened it.
Oh, it's Russia.
Wow, it's Russia. Isn't Russia your favorite, Sarah?
I mean, I do like him, yeah.
Oh,
But nothing beats. He's kind of cute. Oh my god.
Yeah, he's pretty cute. Look at it. Show the camera.
Yeah, look at him.
Russia.
It's Russia. And I'm gonna shove my finger up him.
Say what?
Okay.
Okay, so let's see who I got.
Yeah.
Okay, there's
Oh,
the
oh,
cardboard.
it's Italy.
Is it?
Yes, it's Italy.
It's Italy. Look at that. Italy.
Look at him. Look at him.
Look at it.
Look shove
at
your
it.
finger in him.
Shove my finger in him.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Wow. You can literally shove your finger in him.
They're finger puppets, Don.
Yeah. Wow. Hello.
Hey, that was pretty
I
good.
mean, it's not Todd Habercorn, but okay.
That's really cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they all come with like some instruction manuals I can't read.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't read that.
We
If
should
anybody in the comments could read this, leave a comment.
I
that would be
fucking
helpful.
can't read this. I'm
I'm rolling it upside down.
I'm 12 and can't read, Don.
Oh well. Anyway, water
Anyways,
is really good.
yes.
Okay.
Be sure to drink water. Don't get a kidney stone like I did.
That's right. Not
Anyway.
pretty.
Anyways,
Anyway,
round 2.
round 2.
Which one do you want to get?
I'll take the other one this time.
Okay.
Okay, so ready, Sarah?
Yes.
Okay.
Open from the bottom.
Right. from
Don't
the
be
bottom.
don't be a himbo
I don't even know what that means.
unless you want to be a himbo.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. Okay, I opened it this time.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one do you think you're gonna get? I hope it's Germany.
Think it's Germany? Okay.
I hope it's
See
Germany.
if it's Germany.
Oh my god, no, it's not Germany. It's France.
Oh, look
It's
at
your
his
favorite.
hands. He got the hair.
It's
Yes.
your favorite.
Yes.
There he is.
There he is.
It's
Hey.
France. Oh my
cool.
god. Wait, I actually realized he has his little beard too if you look up
Oh, yeah,
close.
if you look close, he has his little stubble.
Yeah.
Hey.
Kind of hard to see, but
Cool.
Yeah.
I wonder who I got. Who do you
Oh,
think? I see he has black hair.
oh, I think I know. Oh, it's Japan.
Oh, it's Japan. Oh, that's a cool outfit he has. Look at that. Let's open it. I dropped a little packaging.
Of course you
Do you
did.
wanna leave that on the floor?
Larry
Japan. Japan. Look at him.
It's the land of the rising
Land
sun.
of the rising sun.
The one place I want to visit one day.
Right. I know. Hop on the bullet train. That'd be so awesome.
Nah, I think Cat Island would be pretty cool.
Cat Island would be pretty cool too.
And I
Oh, we
hope
could take
there's-
the bullet train to get.
But you can't. It's an island.
Oh yeah. Well, you could take it to get close by. I would-
There's a ferry. That
And
goes
then
there.
hop on the ferry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And pet cats.
And then pet cats. Yeah. Maybe take one home in the suitcase. As long
Yeah.
as the Japanese government doesn't find out.
Yeah, pretty much.
Anyway.
Don't tell Japan.
Yeah, don't tell Japan. Alright, that's pretty cool. Just to show you guys one more time. There
Yeah.
it is. Japan. Cool. That's pretty neat.
I also like how soft they are. Like, it's actually a really nice minky fabric, similar to like Pokemon plushies.
Yeah, it's pretty
Yep.
soft. And I know. Hi. Hi, buddy. Cool. Okay. Round 3.
Round 3. These were stuck together. Which one do you want?
I'll take this one this time.
Please tell me it's Germany.
Think so? Let's find out. Alright,
Let's
open.
see.
These are kind of hard to open.
I know.
Recommend having scissors or like a
Yes. I mean, so no one steals them. Oh,
Yeah.
oh my god. It's
Who do you got?
It's Mr. Eyebrows. It's England.
Oh.
It's Eyebrows Man.
See, I don't know anything about Italian, so Sarah knows all
Yeah,
the nicknames.
but look at his eyebrows.
Big
Whoa.
eyebrows.
You can hardly see it under his hair.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
Who do I
Wait.
got?
Oh shit.
Yes.
Oh shit, it's America.
America, yes!
It's America!
America!
Fuck yeah. It's America.
America. Insert the song. Right.
Oh my god.
Here he is. Hello.
Yeah, cheeseburgers.
Hey man. Cheeseburgers man. I know he says that a lot, right?
God, he's like, you're sounding like Shaggy. Like, I'm immediately reminded of one YouTube poop where he's like, watch me swoosh right in.
I love Scooby-Doo. Yeah, Scooby-Doo is so awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
Here he
like,
is.
look at this cheeseburger freedom man right there.
Cheeseburger Freedom Man,
Yeah.
that's right.
Okay, last round. It's either Germany or China, and I feel I have no regrets at all buying a whole ass blind box full of this stuff. So, which one do you
regrets.
want?
I'll take this one. This one.
Okay, I will fight you if you get Germany.
I guess I'll have
So-
to fight back then. But yeah, let's
Not
see
like
what we got.
Majima-sama.
I don't know what that means. But
Oh, you haven't been watching me play Yakuza, haven't you?
Nah, not really.
Okay.
Who do I got? Who do you got, Sarah?
Last
You open
two.
first.
Oh shit, it's China. You
It's
got
China,
Germany.
So I got Germany. Yes.
It's China.
Sarah says my hair looks like Germany, especially when I slick it back. Do you
yeah.
think so?
Yeah, I think so.
It's got some pomade.
I mean, yeah. There he is.
Show it to the camera.
Okay, here's China.
China.
Our man, China.
China.
Oh my god.
Okay.
There he is.
There's Germany.
There's my dad.
Germany. How does Italy say Germany?
Germany.
Germany.
Don, do you really think Germany sounds like that?
I don't know. I don't really watch Italian. Well, only
But-
a little bit. But
Anyways, there's my dad.
hey.
Well,
Cool.
our dad.
Yeah, right. Hard time.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There should be a way to get this off. Oh, I got China. I freed China out.
There you go.
There he is. Just gotta... I have him in my grasps.
Oh yeah. Nice.
You know, since I have all these finger puppets, I'm gonna become an all-powerful god and just shove them right up my fingers.
What?
Just,
Sarah, that sounds kind of weird.
oh my god, look at them.
Hey. Wait, hold it. There we go.
Yes,
Hello.
the gang's all here.
Gang's all here.
It's just like SpongeBob.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Except- At least SpongeBob has some friends.
Oh yeah.
These
what,
are-
What were they? Penny, Hughes Napkin, and Chip.
Yeah.
SpongeBob is so great.
I think you were thinking. No, wait, that's the wrong episode.
Oh.
The
something
one where
else.
Squidward was like friends with Patrick, and then, or something like that.
Yeah. I don't know.
because Squidward was gonna die and Patrick saved his life.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That one.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Look.
Nice. Look at him.
My whole hand. It's like, just thinking of it, it's like the episode of Steven Universe where Steven literally has like a whole bunch of like cats on his fingers.
What's going on? It's nothing. I just turned all my fingers into cats. We have to stay and help Steven.
Even though you never saw Steven Universe.
Yeah, I've never seen Steven Universe.
It's
so
good. You should watch
I'm
it.
not sure.
Good shit.
Yeah, that's what I hear. Yeah, but
Yeah.
there they are. So
But also, I should also mention that they're also keychains too.
yeah,
So-
you know, got the little
I could hang it on my
little
Ida
chain on
bag.
your heads.
Oops.
Hang them on your backpack, on your
I have my
keys or
Ida
something.
bag right here that I could
Yeah.
probably hang.
On your travel
Even though-
bag.
I haven't really used it much because I work way too much.
Me too.
Yeah. These are really soft. Like, oh my god. I love them. Well, I mean, mostly the hair is soft. Like, it's a really soft minky. Similar to, like, my other minky plush Elliot, which I love very much. But, otherwise, everything else is like some kind of like cotton or something. I don't know what kind. I don't know how to describe it, but also the fact that like their uniforms are printed on, which, I mean, not really a big concern as long as they're like, as long as I take good care of them, because that's what I will do to all these friends. But I also love the fact that other than silly finger puppets, you could have them as like a keychain. Also, but yeah, I just love everything about this. I've waited so long for these to come in the mail because I pre-ordered this in October, and hopefully the whole fandom is like, oh my god, when will you get one for me? I will give you my life savings for Russia or America or Italy. But otherwise, they're a whole lot of fun to just stick in your fingers when you're bored, or just recreate a fan fiction you wrote because you've lost control of your life like I have. In conclusion, these finger puppets are good shit right here. Absolutely good shit. You should totally invest in them when you have the opportunity. And also the fact that you're like, why can't I hold all these countries when now you can in finger puppet form? And Italy just fell on the floor. And England, Eyebrows Man, fell on the floor.
Eyebrows Man.
So now you have the whole world in your hands, literally.